can work with it, but he's not getting it at the moment.
That's why he went towards the pitch of the ball, tried to clear the infield, and the ball would win the race. First wicket, and Mayank is sent packing, courtesy Muzahir. Love the celebration there.
Mayank, this time 2 of 10. The strike rate worsens for him. Was down the leg side, was there to be hit. They've done well, they've learned a bit from the first day.
Driven in 5th gear. Any new players who could come into the reckoning? Sohaib is one of them. For the UAE, flicked away. Wonderful timing. First boundary for Sohaib Khan in this match. Hoiked away towards mid-wicket as the first 6 of this match. Oh, it's gone high into the sky. Could be out, and it is. Clutched by Wasim.
Hit the bottom of the bat, didn't get the timing. And the fielder doing the rest at long on. Good running catch. Taking good positions, judging it well. And giving Oman 2nd wicket, a very important one.
Over mid-off. That's a good shot. Slow delivery. Bottom of the bat. Oh, mistimed the...
But lucky. Slower delivery, was a little early on his shot, but still smashed it. And
another slower delivery. Outside edge. Threw the kitchen sink at it, the skipper of UAE.
DP World Asia Cup Rising Star.
Comes down the track and Ethan D'Souza throws it away.
Yeah, a bit of uncharacteristic of Ethan D'Souza. Probably feeling the pressure that they need a lot of runs. Comes down the track and misses it. And good stumping done behind the stumps. And UAE lose their 3rd. The partnership has now been broken. 26-run partnership. Look good off 21. Ethan D'Souza.
Good line and length. Full credit to the Oman bowlers.
Again, uppishly played. Straight to the field at cover. Hamad making no mistake. Wasim Ali picks up his 2nd. Oman is on a roll.
Wonderful line, wonderful speeds on this surface. It's very important to keep mixing them, especially for the spinners. One. Flighted it, inviting Sharafu to play an uppish stroke.
Press the accelerator. Talking about accelerating. Haider goes for it.
Pace pretty well.
Shorter on that occasion. Yayin launched onto it. All the way for maximum.
Most tickets have been sold out.
What a shot. That is a statement from Haider.
The quality. And that is why. What a shot. What a hit that is. Heather.
In the air, that's much better. In the slot and over the top it goes and brings up the 100 as well for UAE. In the slot and clears long off pretty easily. 2 sixes in an over, spoils the figures of Samir Srivastava.
Bowled well in the power play.
In the slot, slashes it, but finds the field at sweeper cover, who did not move much.
Close to something more fightable. In the end, he holds out at D point. Trying to go big. Didn't get the gap, didn't get the desired length.
Get down the ground. And
Very straight down the ground. No chance for the fielders at long on and long off.
shot. That went a mile. Excellent hit. In the slot, over mid-wicket it goes. Bouncer. And that was a poor stuff. With fine leg in the circle, you ask him to be put away. That was a very good shot. Yorker, perfect Yorker, right on the money. Shafiq is elated. That was a perfect Yorker.
Wickets and also drying up the runs, negating the boundaries. This one was perfectly pitched in the block hole.
Then delivery. No side is needed. Straight away off the mark with a massive hit.